Okay, we are going to talk about how to send the text. So this is the screen, like if you walk into the morning. So how are you going to send that recruiting text once I give you that zip code? I sent the previous video on how to find the brokers. So now how am I going to do this? So I'm going to have to open a couple tabs. So first thing is I'm going to open Google. So you just go to your Google. You're going to need to find the brokers. You're also going to need to be able to text message in Google Voice. And you're going to need to be able to copy that text, right? The script. So the first thing I'm going to do is open the Northwest MLS. So put in your credentials. Okay, so here we are. This is exactly where we were when I was showing you how to go to roster and look for office roster, right? Using zip code. You can look for agent too. If I send you a specific name, you can do it agent or office. Now up here, we're going to click a new tab. That's a plus button right here. When we do this, we're going to want to open our drive and find the shared with me, right? Shared with me and the text script. So I'm going to go ahead and open that. And from there, you can delete this Google Drive if you'd like by clicking the X. So you just have the three open. So you have Matrix, text recruiting script, and then the final one is going to be your Google Voice. Now your Google Voice is going to be right up here. Your Google Voice is going to be right here somewhere, but I don't have mine up, so I'm just going to click Voice. And that opens my Google Voice. Okay, so I have Google Voice, the text script, and Matrix. So the first thing I'm going to do is find the people that I want to text. I'm going to go to Office and then zip 98104. Search. This is the exact example that I used before. I click on the office and then our office brokers. Okay. Now we find the first person who doesn't have the number. Remember, they have to have a license number. So the first person whose contact number, who has a license number, is different from the office, which is going to be Victor McClinton. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is copy the phone number by highlighting it, right-clicking, and copying. I'm going to go to Voice, click Messages, Send Message Now, right-click, oops, hold on, let's see, right-click, and paste. Hold on, it didn't do it. So let's try that again. So I'm going to go here and highlight, right click, copy. That's funny, that's not working. So if it doesn't work, that's fine. That's good that it's not working for me right here. So what we'll do is we will look at it and I will go ahead and I'm trying Control Copy. Let's see if that works. Control C is Control Copy. Yeah, it worked. Okay. So in Matrix, you highlight it, and then at the same time, click Control and C, the letter C. So Control and C, that will copy it, just like right-clicking. Go into your messages, do Control and V to paste it. Okay. Now your message is going to go down here where it says type a message. So you go up here and where it starts with hi, you highlight it and you copy. Go back to Voice and you paste. When you're ready, you click Send. Something to note on this though. I'm going to erase this because you're going to do it. Something to note though is that you are in charge of my schedule. So I really did the Monday thing as an example. So if you find that my schedule it's better for me, if they're in Hoodsport, for example, you know I'm in Hoodsport on Wednesdays. Or if they're in Shelton, you know I'm in Hoodsport on Wednesdays. So that might be a better day for people in that area. We're probably going to be focusing on Seattle. So Mondays will be good in Seattle. Mondays or Fridays, but you have my schedule. So really, I'm trying to add everything to the schedule. You can put them in where you feel is good. If I need to reschedule that, I can just get them on the calendar. Okay, so we're going to be copying their phone numbers using Control-C and Control-V to paste. And you're also going to be copying the text and putting it in there for their message and sending. Okay, hopefully this helps as an overview, and I will be sending a zip code very soon.